There is less flow.
Yeah.
Less tankers. How many pumps? How will it do?
No, go one by one. I will tell you. So now we are saying this wall is closed. If this wall is closed, there are two scenarios. One scenario is there is less pressure. Second scenario is pump overpressure. If pump overpressure, it will not damage because there is no PSP, nothing. This is centrifugal pump. Second scenario is no and less flow. In case of no and less flow, this PAPT and this FT will give you signal to start the standby pump. Can you give the control narratives? Can you explain?
Yeah, okay. It depends on the
Because is it based on the timer also? Because how much time you have?
Timer will not help.
Your tanker capacity.
Hmm.
How you know the tanker is poor? Also timer.
Let us ask him how.
okay, how the sequence. Now we have 5 tankers.
Hmm.
Let us come to the scenario of first tanker. Once you open this one, for example, you have pressure coming like 5 bar. Let us keep the pressure 5 bar. Then once you open one line, the pressure goes to the 4 bar. So the first pump will work. And there is a connection between the flow reading and the pressure transfer in the PLC. So based on the any tanker open, the pressure will goes down, it will control. The first pump will reach to the full capacity, then after that, because the speed. Second pump will be integrated and it will adjust the speed of the pumps with the pressure.
Yeah, but how you know that this tank is full half?
That is manual. No.
The overflow is happening because of this issue. Controlling the timing.
You mean the filling the tanker itself?
Tanker, yeah.
Yeah, that one should be by the operator who's filling the water, the tanks. Yeah, how you filling the tank?
How he knows? Because they have only one.
Okay.
For them it's easy manually. Now you
Manually?
how you manage it.
The outside, the operator.
One option is there. If you want to keep some like sensor to sell sensor to show you this tanker is
No, you cannot put 5. There is no tanks there, like if it's tanks.
Yeah.
No.
So base timer base we cannot do it. No, timer base we cannot do it.
Timer base is
This approach.
timer.
for individual system. We can have the flow meter.
Flow sensor.
No flow meter.
Usually, the driver is the one who's filling the tank.
Actually,
The tank.
road tankers. See, I tell you, a water road tanker you can make automated, but it is not required because it is not required. Now, question is, what is saying that which tanker is getting filled and is going to overflow? Yeah. No. I think this is not so much automated. That is not so much automated. The operator has to supervise the level of road tanker and he has to close this individual valve, this valve.